Hello and welcome to Phlo Clinic. We are here to guide you on how to use your Wegovy pen correctly and confidently. If this is your first time, don't worry. We will take you through it step by step. Upon receiving your Wegovy order, place the pen in the fridge before first use. When it's time to take your medication, take it out the fridge to let it warm to room temperature, making the injection slightly more comfortable. The first step to taking the injection is to thoroughly wash your hands. Always do this before handling your pen. Hand sanitizer is also sufficient. For first time users, you will receive a sharps box alongside your Wegovy pen. Inside your order will be your Wegovy FlexTouch pen and 4 needles to administer the 4 doses of Wegovy. Look at the label and box to check your Wegovy pen has the correct prescribed dose and is still in date. Make sure the pen hasn't been damaged. If anything looks unusual, please contact Phlo Clinic before using it. You can inject Wegovy into your stomach, upper thigh or upper arm. Choose a clean, dry area and remember to change your injection site each week to avoid irritation. If you choose to inject into the stomach, make sure to inject it at least 5 centimeters away from the belly button. Remove the cap from the pen. Check the window and ensure it is clear and colourless. There may be some condensation from being stored in cold conditions. Take a new needle each time you inject. Peel off the paper tab and push it straight onto the pen. Turn until it is tight. The needle is covered by 2 caps. If you forget to remove both caps, you will not inject any Wegovy. Pull off the outer cap and keep aside, then pull off the inner cap to expose the needle. The cap can be disposed of in general waste. This next part is for your first injection of every new pen. Firstly, you will need to check the flow. To do this, turn the dial at the bottom of the pen until you see this flow symbol. Make sure it aligns with the pointer. Now hold the pen up with the needle pointing up. Press the injector and hold in the dose button until it returns to this 0 symbol, making sure it aligns with the pointer again. A small amount of Wegovy liquid will appear at the top, which indicates your pen is ready for use. If it doesn't appear, check the flow again, but this can only be checked twice. If there is still no drop, change the needle and check once more. If it still doesn't appear, please do not use the pen and contact Phlo Clinic. If this is not your first dose from your Wegovy pen, these are the next steps to follow after taking the 2 caps off. Turn the dial at the bottom of the pen until the dose counter stops and your prescribed dose shows. The dashed line will guide you to your dose. Once your prescribed dose lines up with the pointer, you are ready to inject. To inject your pen, place the pen firmly against your skin at the injection site. Make sure you can see the dose counter. Press and hold the pen button until you see the 0 symbol line up with the dose pointer. Keep holding the pen down into your skin and slowly count to 6. You may hear or feel a click. Now you can remove the pen from your body. If some blood appears, press down lightly on the area to stop the bleeding. You may see a drop of Wegovy at the needle tip after injecting. This is normal and does not affect your dose. Well done, you've successfully taken your Wegovy dose. Once you have injected, place the used needle back into the outer cap on a flat surface. Do not touch the needle and never try to put the inner cap back on the needle as you may prick yourself. Place the cap back on and unscrew the cap to take the needle off. Dispose the used needle immediately in your sharps bin. And finally put the pen cap back on. Once all doses have been taken and the last needle has been removed, you can put the pen in your sharps bin. And that's it. If you ever have questions, trouble injecting or other concerns, please contact us straight away. Our team here at Phlo Clinic are always happy to help. We're with you every step of the way.